Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Tech Channel. In today's video, we will be showing you how to play games on your Facebook application. You can play various games on your Facebook application without even installing any software on your phone. In order to do this, first of all, go ahead and open up your Facebook application. Once you are inside the Facebook application, tap on the menu icon underneath the messenger icon at the top right corner. Now from this menu, scroll down and then tap on Gaming. This will take you into the gaming page. You can scroll down and play various games amongst the suggested games section. You can also go into the Play menu and then look into various categories of games. Once you find the game that you wish to play, go ahead and tap on it. This will open up the game's menu screen. Tap on the Play Now button and the game will begin loading on your phone. Once the game is completely loaded, you will be asked whether you would like to receive notification and messages from this game. You can tap on Turn On or Not Now based on your preference. You will also be asked whether you would like to add this game to your home screen. You can tap on the Add button or the Cancel button as well, based on your choice. Now the game will open up. You can either play solo, or you can go ahead and compete with other players by tapping on Tournament. So that is how you can play various games on your Facebook application. That is all for this video. If you like our content, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell too, in order to be notified whenever we post a new video. Thank you for watching.